Félix Têtu, January 26, 1769, October 12, 1853, was a notary and political figure in Lower Canada. He represented Hertford in the Legislative Assembly of Lower Canada from 1796 to 1800. He was born in St. Thomas, the son of Félix Têtu and Marie-Madeleine Volley, and was educated at the Petit Séminaire de Quebec. He apprenticed as a notary and was licensed to practice in 1795. Têtu practiced mainly at Quebec City. He served in the militia, reaching the rank of lieutenant colonel. Têtu did not run for re-election in 1800 and was defeated when he ran in Dorchester in 1809. He died in St. Thomas at the age of 84. His nephew Vital Têtu also served in the assembly. References. Biography. Dictionnaire des parlementaires du Québec de 1792 et nos jours, in French. National Assembly of Quebec.